W in digital marketing, web analytics and webinars. Let's explore the letter W, which stands for web analytics and webinars. Two powerful tools that help you measure performance and engage your audience effectively. Why web analytics matters? Web analytics gives you insight into how users interact with your website, providing data to optimize your content, improve your user experience, and increase conversions. Track performance, monitor traffic, bounce rates, and time on site. Measure ROI, understand which marketing efforts drive the most value and improve conversions. Analyze behavior to enhance website effectiveness. Why webinars are essential. Webinars allow you to engage your audience through live or recorded sessions, providing educational value while building trust and authority. Direct engagement, foster real-time interaction with your audience. Thought leadership, showcase expertise and strengthen your brand. Lead generation, capture leads by offering valuable content. How web analytics and webinars work together. Track webinar performance. Use web analytics to analyze audience, engagement, and user behavior after the event. Refine content strategy. Use data to identify popular topics and create relevant future webinars. Enhance marketing campaigns. Enhance marketing campaigns. Leverage analytics insights to promote webinars to the right audience. Join me on this journey. I'm building a dynamic digital marketing community, and I'm looking for accountability partners who are ready to grow and refine their strategies. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, let's take this journey together. We are sprouting to success around here, and we could help you to sprout too. Ready to get started? Visit www.mbtothea.com and let's make it happen together. Let's go.